Hello everyone, welcome to React learning course. In this video we will learn styling and React, but we will learn something new, how we can to assign or create dynamically a class's name and React. Like here we have in person.css file one class by person name, and also I want to create a new class dot read equal to color equal to read, like this, and another class by name bold font weight equal to bold. Now I want to use or assign these classes dynamically in my class.js file to one paragraph. I will create here one paragraph like this is really working. Now I want to assign these classes to this paragraph dynamically. So how we can to do this? First I want to create one variable here to create an array const classes, name is totally of you, equal to an empty array. After this if statement, if this dot state dot person, we have person object here, dot length was less than and equal to. In this case just classes dot push read class to classes array, like this. And now I want to define another if statement. If this dot state dot person dot length was less than and equal with 1, in this case just write here classes dot push read and also bold, like this. Okay, if we have three components, two components and less than two components, we will have text color read. And after if we have one component and less than one component, we should have read color text, and also we should have font weight bold. If was greater than 2, we will leave by default. So now I want to define class name here, class name classes dot join to join these strings, and empty space. Now save this file and move to browser. Also I want to save this file. Now refresh this page. Now here we have, this is really working because we have greater than 2. We have 3 components here. Now this is by default black color and thin. Now I want to remove one component from this. Okay, now we have text color read, and this is not bold. Now I want to remove another component. Okay, here we have, this is really working, read color and also font weight is bold. So this was how we can to assign dynamically class name and React application. Thank you for watching.